Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix the KMode exception that is not handled in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going to the device manager. So to do that, simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this device manager option here. And once you click on that, you will get this small window or this kind of window coming up. All you need to do is just to update the network adapters or the main network adapter that you have there in your device. So once the network adapter option is found, double click on that and then you will get this wireless LAN card or wireless option. So please make a right click on that, click on this update driver option, and then you will get or you will be asked on how do you want to search for drivers. So just please go with first option, search automatically for drivers, and once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, simply go back to the prior window and then go click on the browse my computer for drivers option. Now we will now proceed with the let me pick from a list of available drivers, and then once you are shown with the compatible hardware driver versions that you have there in your device, simply select the latest driver version that you have there, and then once selected, now please click on next. And then once you do that, it will start installing the drivers, and once it says that the Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then just close this window and then just make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed after the restart. And then if it's still not fixed, then we will move on with the task manager. So to go to the task manager, you can do this making a right click here in the taskbar and then go click on the task manager option, or you can just simply make a right click here in the Windows icon again and then go click on the task manager window. So once you're done with this one, or just once you're done clicking on the task manager option, just maximize this one and then we will proceed with the run new task option. So we have this run new task here, and once you click on that, you will get this create new task window. All you need to do is just to type here msconfig, and then let me just type it in lowercase letters, msconfig, and then once you have already typed it, just please click on this create this task with administrative privileges so that it will be selected. And then once you have already checked it, just please click on OK, and then you will get the system configuration window coming up. All you need to do is just to go to the boot tab here and then click on the boot tab, and then here we have the boot options. Please click on the safe boot option, and then instead of minimal, please select the network and then click on this apply and then click on this OK button here. And then once you're done with this one, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with your PC, and then you have now entered the safe boot in your device. And then once you're done with this one, just go back again to this task manager window. So please open again the task manager, and then all you need to do is just to click on this run new task button here to open again this create new task window. All you need to do is just to type again the msconfig, and then once you have typed it, check again this create this task with administrative privileges, and then once you have selected this one, please click again on OK and go again with the services. So now we have the services tab. All you need to do is just to look for or find the ELAN services. So please scroll down and then look for the ELAN services. Now once you have found it, please make sure that it is unchecked or unselected. Once it is already unchecked or unselected, you can now click on apply and then click on OK. And then once you're done with this one, just make a quick restart with your device. After the restart, and then you're back now to your device, or you have already opened your laptop or PC, all you need to do is just to go again to the task manager window, and then all you need to do is just to uncheck or disable the safe mode. So please go click again on the run new task option, and here all you need to do is just to type msconfig and then check again this create this task with administrative privileges option. Click on OK again, and this time we will be going again to the boot tab, and here we need to uncheck the safe boot. So if you have checked the safe boot, please uncheck it, and then it will automatically disable the network or uncheck the network option. So just make sure that you have unchecked the safe boot option. Once you're done, please click on apply, click on OK, close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and you have now successfully entered to the normal mode of your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.